Sorry, what's that? I can't see anything. Have you ever attended a presentation where the presenter was showing an Excel spreadsheet with data, formulas, and the like, and you could hardly see anything? You pointed this out and they zoomed in on their spreadsheet, which really helped, but you still couldn't make out the formula bar, the formulas in the formula bar. They still remained small, even though the zoom level was increased. That's because zoom impacts the cells, but not the text in the formulas or in the name bar. How could you make these bigger so that everyone can see? So maybe it's your turn to present, or you want to teach some of your team members a few Excel tricks. You want everyone to see, so even if they're sitting at the back of the room. Let me show you how. The solution is super simple. All you have to do is change the default font size in Excel. So go to File, Options, under General, you see font size here? Change it to a much bigger size. So I'll change it to 16, and we're going to see the difference in a second. Click on OK. Now for this to take effect, you have to close Excel and open it again. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've opened the same file now. Take a look at this. This is so much easier to read than before. The font size for my existing file has remained the same. Now there's one thing to take care of, is that if you want to create a new Excel file, so if I press Ctrl N, the font size is going to be that default font size that we specified before. So don't forget to switch this back to your original setting once your presentation is over. But during the presentation, it's so much easier for the participants to see this formula in the formula bar if the font size is much bigger. This trick was sent to me by Jim, who's one of the viewers of this channel, who himself is using this method. He came across it online as well, and I thought I'd share it with you here. So the next time you're presenting something in Excel and you'd like the people to be able to see the formula bar, just make the font size bigger and then switch it back once you're done. If you like this tip, press that like button, and if you have tips of your own when it comes to presenting or training a group of people in Excel, please share it below. I would love to see what these are. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.